हेलो फ्रेंड्स, स्वागत है आपका हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल एजी टीचिंग मैथ्स में। आज हम देखने वाले हैं क्लास 12 का चैप्टर नंबर 3 मैट्रिसेस का एक्सरसाइज 3.2 का 9th क्वेश्चन। सो हम ले रहे हैं यहाँ पर मैट्रिसेस का 9th क्वेश्चन। सो यू हैव टू फाइंड एक्स एंड वाई इफ यू हैव गिवन 2 into matrix this matrix plus second matrix and you have equalized one matrix, then you have to find x and y. Let's just do the solution. What will be the solution? The solution will be, you just multiply 2 inside this matrix. Okay, so here this matrix will leads you to 2 ones are 2, 3 twos are 6, 0 twos are 0 and 2x are 2x. Okay, plus this will remain as it is, y 0 1 and 2, and we are equalizing the matrix. Matrix will be 5 6 1 and 8. Okay, now we are going to add this matrix. Okay, so when you add, so the order will never change because the order of all the matrices which you have given are the same. So what is the addition of this matrix? It will be 2 plus y, 0 plus 6 that means 6, 0 plus 1 that means 1 and 2x plus 2. Okay, this implies gives you is equal to 5, 6, 1 and 8. So this will leads you that now you will just equalize every element. Friends, just remember that when you say that when two matrices are equal, कब होते हैं? So you have just orders are equal of both matrices and the elements of that matrices should be equal. So here we are going to equal all the elements. So 2 plus y will give you 5, 6 will equal to 6, 1 is equal to 1 and 2x plus 2 is equal to 8. So here we have, what do we have? Y is equal to 5, 2 will come on the right side, it will change its sign and it will be minus 2. So we'll have y's value is equal to 3. Okay, so यहाँ से हमने y मिल गया है हमें, यहाँ से हम 2 ले लेते हैं कॉमन and it's okay, it will be 2x and we are just taking 2 on the right side, it will be 8 minus 2. So 2x will be plus 6 and x will be 6 by 2 that means 3. So here in this way we have found the values of x and y. The value of x is equal to 3 and the value of y is equal to 3. So in this way we have completed our 9th question. We are going to our 10th question. Friends, here we are going to solve the 10th question of this exercise 3.2. So here again we have given 3 matrices. One matrix you have given will get after the addition, and one matrix here you have given on the right hand side is equalization matrix. So here first you just multiply 2 inside this matrix, 3 inside this matrix, and then after you just add and equalize, you will get the sum equation and you will left with the values of x, y, z and t. So let's just start this question. So it will be, if you multiply 2 inside, so you are left with 2x plus 2x, 2z, 2y and 2t plus multiply 3 inside this matrix, so we are left with 3 minus 3, 0, 0 multiply with 3 will be 0, 3 2s are 6. Okay, and this will be this will remain same, or you just multiply 3 inside this matrix, we are left with 3 3s are 9, 3 5s are 15, 3 4s are 12 and 3 6s are 18. So here you can see the order of these 3 matrices are the same, that means 2 cross 2, 2 cross 2 and 2 cross 2. So here addition is possible as well as equalization is possible. So here we are going to do the addition of these matrices. We are left with 2x plus 3, 2z minus 3, 2y plus 0 will leads you to y, 2t plus 6. And here we are left with is remain as 9, 15, 12 and 18. So here we are going to equalize our matrices. So we are left with 2x plus 3 is equal to 9, 2z minus 3 is equal to 15, 2y is equal to 12, and 2t plus 6 is equal to 18. So here you can find the values of x, y, z and t. These are the equations. So what will be the x? So 2x will be 9 minus 3. So x will be 9 minus 3 will leads you 6, will give you 6. Divide by 2. So x will be 2 3s are 6. So here we will get x is equal to 3. What is 2z minus 3 is equal to 15. So 2z will be 15. Get 3 on the right hand side. So we are left with 15 plus 3. So z will be 15 plus 3, that means 18. 18 divided by 2. Z is equal to 2 9s are 18. So it will be z is equal to 9. And y is equal to 12 by 2. And it will be 2 6s are 12. So y is equal to 6. Okay, and what is t? So 2t plus 6. So 2t, get a 6 on the right hand side. It will be 18 minus 6. So it will give you 18 minus 6, that means 12. So t is equal to 12 by 2. So t will be 2 6s are 12. So here we are left with x is equal to 3, z is equal to 9, t is equal to 6 and y is equal to 6. So in this way we have completed our 10th question. Friends, in the 11th question we have given if x into 1 matrix plus y into 1 matrix, equalization 10 and 5. Again the third matrix. So here again we'll multiply x inside, y inside and just add the both of the matrices and we just equalize with the third matrix and we'll left with the answer. So here it will be 2x multiply x inside, we are left with 2x multiply x inside and with 3, so we are left with 3x plus multiply y with minus 1 and 1, so we are left with minus y and y is equal to 10 and 5. So here this implies gives us 2x. Here this is 2 cross 1 matrix because we have 2 rows and 1 column. Again we have two rows and 1 column, so this is 2 cross 1 matrix. Again this is 2 cross 1 matrix. So addition as well as equalization is possible. So here we are going to add these matrices and going to equal. So it will be 2x plus minus y, 3x plus y. Okay, so here it will equal to 10 and 5, the other matrix. So this implies gives us two equations, that means 2x minus y is equal to 10 and 3x plus y is equal to 5. So here what can you do? You can just replace, you can find the value of x and replace it in the next equation, or you just multiply something 3 or 2 and you just subtract, then again you will get the answer. Here we are just doing the method of substitution. So here 2x will be 10 plus y and x will be 10 plus y by 2. So here we are putting the value of x in this equation. So we are left with 3. What is x? X is nothing but 10 plus y divided by 2 plus y is equal to 5. So what will be the y? So we are just going to finding y. So it will be 2 is the LCM, so it will be 3, multiply 3 inside, so we are left with 30 plus 3y plus 2y is equal to 5. So here we are left with 2 plus 3, 5y, and here it will. In this way we have completed our 11th question. We are going to do 12th question. Friends, here this 4 will come here, so it will be negative. So here it will be negative, and we have not need to multiply the negative sign. It will already positive. So here we are left with x is equal to 2. So here we'll put the value of x. Automatically we'll left with the value of y. So this will be 3y. Getting y over here, so it will be negative 6. What is the value of x? Put the value of x is equal to 2 over here. So we are left with 3 minus 1y, we are left with 2y 6 plus 2 we are left with 8. So y is equal to 8 by 2, that means 2 4s are 8. So here we are left with y is equal to 4. And the next will solve first this equation. So it will be 2w minus 3w. Taking 3w on the left hand side, we are left with 2w minus 3w is equal to 3. So it will be 2 minus 3. It will be negative of w is equal to 3. Negative of 3. And negative will get cancelled, and we are left with w is equal to 3. Now put the value of w in this equation. So we are left with z. So 3z, taking z over here, it will be negative of z is equal to negative of 1 plus the value of w. Value of w is 3, and this will be 3 minus 1z will give us 2z is equal to negative 1 plus 3. We are left with 2. So z is equal to 2 by 2 is equal to 1. So here we are left with z is equal to 1, w is equal to 3, y is equal to 4, and x is equal to 2. So in this way we have completed our 12th question. Friends, if you like our videos, then just subscribe our channel and support us. थैंक यू. मिलते हैं अगली वीडियो में. तब तक के लिए अपना ध्यान रखें.